Welcome to Calmlish English, a space where English feels soft, gentle, and safe. Here, you don't need to study hard. You only need to listen, to breathe, and to rest. Today, our healing word is calm. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Let's begin. The word calm can be both an adjective and a verb. Pronunciation, calm. As an adjective, calm means quiet, peaceful, without stress. For example, the sea is calm today. Her voice is calm and soft. I feel calm when I sit in the garden. As a verb, calm means to make something less noisy, less angry, or less worried. For example, the mother calmed her baby. He tried to calm his friend after the bad news. So, calm is about peace, outside us and inside us. Calm. The morning is calm. The air is soft. The world is quiet. The ocean is calm. The water is still. The waves are gentle. My breath is calm. My heart is calm. My mind is calm. When life feels heavy, I return to calm. When my thoughts are loud, I choose calm. I am calm. Calm is here. Calm is inside me. Breathe in, calm. Breathe out, calm. With every breath, I carry calm with me. Calm is a simple word, but it has the power to heal. It tells us that we don't need to rush. We don't need to fight. We don't need to be perfect. Right now, being calm is enough. You are enough. Take one last calm breath, deep and soft. Carry this calm with you into your day or into your night. Thank you for sharing this calm moment with me. See you again in the next healing word.